sailing to Cairns. The flight is leaving in 15 minutes. Let's jump on board.
Qantas operates its domestic and regional flights at Sydney Airport Terminal 3. The check-in process is really easy and fast, and if you are confused at any point, there are plenty of staff there to help you as well. After going through security, the gates are just steps away. Even the furthest gate is only about 5 minutes walk. There are many shops and a food court inside the terminal, so plenty of dining and shopping options. The terminal also gives you a clear view of the apron and the main runway, perfect for avgeeks like myself. The aircraft that will take me through to Brisbane today is a Wi-Fi enabled 6-year-old Boeing 737-800. Qantas currently has 75 slots. It's now a final call for my flight, so let's jump on board. All Qantas 737 has a seating arrangement consists of 12 business and 162 economy seats. Unlike most airlines in Europe, the business class seats on Qantas short-haul flights are wider and has more legroom than economy. The economy class is in its classic 3-3 configuration. The flight to Brisbane only takes about 1 hour and 20 minutes, but I'm surprised to see that every seat has a seatback screen showing the flight path and has plenty of movie options. The touch screen is not very responsive, but still works fine. What's more, as I mentioned earlier, this aircraft, like many Qantas Boeing 737s, offer a complimentary Wi-Fi for every passenger on board, and it's really fast.
Make sure you're familiar with the brace position. If you can reach the seat in front, brace by folding around.
Sydney Airport has 3 runways. Today, we are taking off from runway 34 right. If you are flying to northern New South Wales or Queensland and sitting at the window seat on the left-hand side of the aircraft, departing from runway 34 right means you are going to get a stunning view of the Sydney Harbour and Sydney CBD. Unfortunately though, Sydney is covered by haze today due to the catastrophic bushfire in the Blue Mountains, so I didn't get to see the iconic Sydney Opera House clearly. About 20 minutes into the flight, the crew started to serve dinner. For economy passengers, we get to choose from Italian pasta salad or Mexican lamb tortilla with wild rice. I picked the lamb tortilla. It was delicious. Brisbane is only about 850 kilometers north of Sydney. Shortly after dinner, we began our approach to Brisbane Airport. Brisbane is also a victim of the bushfire in southeast Queensland today, so the visibility is quite low as well. Other than that, the sunset is beautiful. Overall, I really enjoyed this flight. The fast Wi-Fi, the seatback screen, the fantastic and professional crew, and the delicious meal. Everything is flawless. This is by far my favorite short-haul flight in 2019, and I'm looking forward to flying on this route again. After landing, the captain gave me the permission to visit the cockpit and even took pictures for me. What a great way to end this flight.
Welcome to Brisbane. One flight down, one flight to go.
So So my next flight is QantasLink QF1756 to Cairns. QantasLink is a regional brand of Qantas Airways. The aircraft of this flight is an 18-year-old Boeing 717-200, and the flight time is 2 hours 20 minutes.
Excuse me, you...
The Boeing 717 has 12 business class seats in a 2-2 configuration and 98 economy class seats in a 2-3 configuration. My seat, 14A, is an emergency exit row seat with enormous amount of legroom. I picked this seat during online check-in, free of charge. The flight departed Brisbane at 10 minutes to 8. Listen how powerful these engines sound. It's amazing. About 40 minutes into the flight, refreshments is served. It's pizza margherita. Tastes fine. There wasn't much to do on this 2-hour flight, as it's dark outside and there isn't Wi-Fi on board. We landed at Cairns at 10 minutes to 10. Welcome to Cairns. It's about 2,500 kilometers from Canberra. Oh my god, I'm finally here. It's been a long day. I'm going to spend 3.5 days here, so stay tuned for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you find it interesting. I'll see you all again tomorrow.